Okay. Hang on. Oh well, I'm more than a little frustrated, but we'll get through this. Let me see here. Let me just find you on my phone. We don't have internet here. It's been out this evening. Our power's been on and off all day. And I am hoping that somebody will see me. Cheryl, you're going to go on Facebook and see if you can find me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I can't seem to get it to show up on my phone, which is where I was going to watch it to make sure everything was going okay. And I was going to put my Stampin' with Wendy card here, but I can't find it anywhere. So I did 2 of these cards on YouTube, and when I looked up, the last time I looked up, we couldn't get it to come in on additional devices. And when I looked up, it had already ended itself. So, okay. Doug's watching. Hi, Doug. We've had a really crappy windstorm here, and it's wreaking havoc with Verizon, of course. All right, come on, show up. Stampin' with Wendy. So I'm having a hard time getting anything to work. Oh, there I am. Okay. Good. All right, so I started these cards. The paper pumpkin is called, I'll just show you guys the 2 cards I got done, and I'll make them again if you want me to. So I got these 2 done. Well, I thought I was online, but I wasn't, and I was just about to work on the 3rd card. So it's called Bikes and Blooms. It's the June 2026 kit, paper pumpkin kit. Today is June 18th, 2026, so that makes sense. And the coordinating colors are basic black, calypso coral, crushed curry, lost lagoon, old olive, pecan pie, and silver. So I'm just going to go ahead and build the 3rd card while I'm online, and we'll go from there. So we have, this is, I already started to stamp it. This is the 3rd card. See if I can find the rest of the parts of it. There it is. Envelope. Okay. And back to my directions. Okay. Hi, Christy. Glad you're watching. Christy, I was just explaining we had a windstorm here and everything is all screwed up and nothing wants to work. Okay, I'm going to need, I do have an extra one of these kits, so if I get 15 people commenting on here, somebody will get the extra kit. If not, I'm going to stop buying the extra kits because I'm spending a lot of money on kits that I'm not giving away and just are sitting around. So, okay, I am looking, there we go. I'm looking for this banner right here. And I need this. And I needed a 12-inch piece of twine. And okay. I already, let's see, I need to stamp thank you. And with the Calypso Coral ink, which I just moved out of my site here. There we go. And that's going on this banner facing this way. There we go. And I will clean that off. And so they want me to use glue dots on this, but I'm just going to use my tape runner. All right, and I need dimensionals on this so they can be popped up off the paper, off the card. And I need, whoops, it's stuck to my finger. It's really, oh, there's 2 of them there stuck to my finger. No wonder. Okay, well, I guess we'll put one in the middle then. And I need, this is going to just, we're just going to make one giant bow. like so. And that is going underneath here. So I'm actually just gonna stick it right on there. Whoops. Put that there. Actually, I'm gonna put a little dab of tape there to hold that on. There we go. That goes like that. Got that. This needs dimensionals on the back of it. Ah, I see they're coming from the row below it. Now I got 4 of them. Okay. One here. We'll put one up here. There's 2 down there that shouldn't be together. There we go. Then we need a row across the middle. 1, 2, 3. Stuck to my finger again. Okay. So, and as I said, I already stamped the butterflies. So let's go ahead, get these things off. Move up so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, got those off. All right, and that's going to go on here. Looks like it's centered. Like so, close enough. And then this is going to go down here, just off, right about there. And this is going to go over that. For some reason, it looks like they have it going slightly off of the card. Oh, and it was supposed to actually be, it doesn't matter. It was supposed to be the bow this side up and that side down, but I don't think it matters. I'm going to do it like that. All right. And then, get those out of the way. We've got some flowers to put on here. I gotta find the flower basket, which is here somewhere. There it is. All right, so these are gonna go over that. Over that. Yep, over that. And they are also popped. And so are the flowers coming off of that popped. So, let's see here. One there, and one there. Over there. Whoops, that's a little messed up. Okay. All right. Oh, you know what? I should probably put the flowers on here first, so that I can push them down. And that goes like this. Okay, and then, and you can see right where it goes because they left you a picture. Like that. Now we need our butterflies, and they are going, there are no butterflies on this one. Shocking, because I already stamped butterflies. All right, so here we have our 3 cards. 2 landscapes and a portrait. I usually do it the other way around. Got bicycles and blooms. I love these. These are so cute. They have really stepped up their game on the stamping, the the paper pumpkin kits. I really like them. All right. As I said, if I can get some comments, I will be drawing a name. If I have enough people watch in the next 24 hours and make a comment, I need 15 or more. And if I get 15 or more different people commenting, I will be drawing a name for the other paper pumpkin kit, the same kit. Just I bought 2 of them. So I could go on, but it's been a rough day, and I think maybe I don't want to go on anymore. I could remake these two, but you get the picture. Thank you for watching, and I will hopefully see you all next week. Everything will be ironed out. I'll be back on YouTube. There won't be a storm, I hope, and everything will be working again. Hopefully Verizon will get our internet up and working overnight sometime tonight. Thanks for watching. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.